how to make money with Bitcoin in 2022. Over over the last few years, Bitcoin (BTC) has gained popularity as the number one form of decentralized currency. Its creator might remain a milestone to this day, but one thing's for sure, they are lost of opportunity for you to make money with Bitcoin today. There are many options to choose from, and deciding the best route isn't always easy. To make things a bit simpler for you, we have complete a list of way how to make money with Bitcoin. Buy and hold Bitcoin. If you are wondering how to make money Bitcoin with putting in too much effort, the buy and hold storage is among your best option. Buying and holding BTC is one of the most straightforward and beginner-friendly way to earn money with crypto. Here's how it works. Create a Pixel account. You will receive a free Bitcoin wallet upon sign up. Buy Bitcoin with bank transfer or source from nearly 4,400 payment option. Hold on hold on to your BTC and write what for speak in price. No matter how long the may take, you could wait hours, month, or even years before you decide to be a sale. That the beauty of buying and holding. This technique has become so popularity. There's even an internet name for it. Hold. It started as a tribe on a forum and because become an accounting for hold on for their life. So thank you everyone.